How do you keep spices in your RV? Did you know spices go bad over time in these little glass bottles? They break, they're heavy. Blah. So what we've done is taken our label maker, because we're nerds, and we label these Tupperware containers and put them all in a little organizing tray that we can take in and out of our trailer. So we put a label on the front and on the side so they're easy to find. They're plastic so they don't break, and we can buy as much spice as we need rather than having to buy a big container of it. Look, it's oregano. Oh! So that's our easy hack for keeping spices in our travel trailer. And we really like buying spices from a company called Savory Spice. They do sell the spices by mail order, and you can get small containers of them. Pretty cool, right? You can find this tip and many, many more at our home on the web, where you've got discounts, deals, hacks, and hints. And we also do a weekly podcast, also at StressLessCamping.com.
Tony Zippy Tips.